WWDC. So, on June 7 in WWDC 2021, Apple has introduced many upcoming software updates for iOS, iPadOS, macOS, watchOS and tvOS. And we will cover each of them one by one in our upcoming videos, starting from this, which is of iOS 15. And yes, if you don't know, WWDC means Worldwide Developer Conference, where Apple showcases their new software updates and technology for their every device like Mac, iWatch, iPhone, Apple TV and iPad. Basically, this is a 7-day conference for developers to learn new things and adapt to the changes. Now, let's get back to the iOS 15. iOS 15 will be available for public on the fall of 2021. So, the first thing Apple talked about was FaceTime. FaceTime now supports spatial audio, by which conversation feels like face-to-face because it supports surrounding sound. The FaceTime now has different options in microphone audio capturing, which allow adaptive voice isolation for better voice and natural experience. Other than that, FaceTime also supports portrait mode, by which everything except you is being blurred out. FaceTime also gets scheduling feature, which allows user to generate link for specific call and share that via any of the platform. And now, one of the coolest thing about FaceTime is even Android user can join to FaceTime call from their browser. And Apple also introduced SharePlay feature, and I think it is one of the best thing in the FaceTime because now we can watch movies, listen to music and share screen just from the FaceTime, and everything is synchronized across all the members. Apple also made some changes in iMessage. Now there is stack of photos which you can see by scrolling it, and also share with you section which makes it easier to find photos. Apple also introduced a new feature called Focus, which we haven't seen in any other operating system. Focus Lattice makes the balance between different types of environment throughout the day. Like, if you turn on the work mode, then you will only get the notification and calls from the person from your workspace, and also the apps which you defined in your work section. You can add many different focus modes as you want with full customization. And when you turn on any type of focus, the peoples in your iMessage will get a DND status who opens the iMessage chat. Focus is really helpful for being totally in the environment we are in without any distractions. And Focus is synchronized across the whole Apple ecosystem. That means if I turn on personal focus on my iPhone, it will automatically turn on across all my iCloud devices like iWatch, iPad and Mac. Further, now there is a notification summary, which will show the important summary of the notification in the stack, and it will automatically adjust throughout the day on the basis of how you use your phone. In the notification summary, notifications are ordered in priority, like most relevant will be on top. But the message or call notification will not be in notification summary. They are separated as individual, so we don't miss any of that notification. The next thing Apple talked about was a live text, and this is totally game changing. By far, this is the best feature in iOS 15 because live text lets us select the text from any photo, camera or the whole screen, and allow us to copy, translate, share and many more. If we select any phone number from live text, then it will automatically detect that it is a phone number and gives us option to call, message and FaceTime, or adding it to a contact directly from there. Not just the phone number, but we can use with many purposes. Like when we click on any email address on an image, it will open Mail app with that email address written in receiver section. Then when we click on any location like cafe name or restaurant name, it allows us to look up to their store for direction and reviews. And it is available for iPhone, iPads and Macs. Apple now allows user to search for any particular image directly from the Spotlight. And it is also allows user to show every activity you have with particular person like photos, meetings, mails, file and also contact to call them directly from Spotlight. After that, the photos memories. This is being intelligent because it will create memories according to different moods and feels. Now the memories has lots of new transition, musics and effects, and it will use that to make a perfect memory. Plus, it is easily customizable. We can also use any music from Apple Music to customize our memories in photos. They also made a slight changes in Apple Wallet, Weather app and Apple Maps. Like Apple Wallet allows adding the digital keys and your ID cards like driving license or office ID. Weather app has slightly new design with a easily understandable UI and animated backgrounds. It also shows weather maps to accurately see the temperature, air quality and climate of any place directly from that weather map. And Apple Maps has now more 3D UI and more accurate details, but for now Apple Map is only available for 8 countries. So this is just a few features, but they make so much difference. And there are so much small changes in this iOS 15, but we have covered only the main features. So this is all about iOS 15. And in these upcoming videos, we are covering all the new updates for iPadOS, watchOS and macOS. So stay tuned for that.